Hooty's bag of goodies, tales for everyone. So come on, all you children, let's go have some fun.
Hello everyone, I am Hooty the Owl. I have 4 children. Naughty and Greedy are my 2 sons, and Goldilocks is my pretty little daughter. Pat is a baby rat who also lives with us. He is a very good boy and he listens to everything I say.
Look, Mommy! Look what I've got for all of us! Orange popsicles! I got them from the shop across the road.
Goldilocks, that's very sweet of you. But honey, didn't I ask all of you not to cross the road alone? And also not to go as far as the popsicle shop all by yourself?
Yes, Mommy, you did. But it is so sunny outside. I thought these would help cool us off.
Well, now that you have got them, let's have them. Call your brothers. I'll also tell you a story. Once upon a time, a goat and her kid lived together. The kid was very, very naughty. One morning, the kid went skipping and hopping towards the jungle. The mother goat tried to stop her kid from going alone into the jungle. She said, "There are lots of beasts in the jungle. Do not go alone." The kid said,
Don't worry, Mommy. I won't go too far in.
The little frisky kid was so lost in his games that he did not see how deep into the jungle he had gone. Soon it turned dark and he wanted to go back to his mother. But the poor frightened kid could not find his way back. He was completely lost in the wood and he didn't know what to do. He cried for his mother and realized that he should have listened to what his mother had said. Then all of a sudden, he saw a wolf standing in front of him. The wolf said,
"Aha! I shall feast on a delicious kid tonight."
The wolf jumped on the kid and caught him. He gobbled him up entirely. So, the moral of the story is, you should always listen to what your mother asks you to do. Goldilocks, did you understand my story, sweetheart?
Yes, I did. Sorry, Mommy. I promise this will never happen again.
I know you will not do something like this again, sweetheart.
Yum! I love this.
Thanks, Goldie, for getting it for us.
Yes, thank you, Goldie. I don't think there are any left for you, though. Kidding.
Hooty's bag